Welcome to second lesson of Module 4. Today, we are focusing on delegation and outsourcing as advanced time management strategies. These strategies help individuals free up time for higher value work. Many people try to do everything themselves. This often leads to overload and reduced effectiveness. Delegation and outsourcing provide a smarter alternative. The first step is identifying which tasks should be delegated or outsourced. Not all tasks require your direct involvement. Some activities consume time without adding significant value. Low-value and repetitive tasks are strong candidates for delegation. These tasks often include administrative work, data entry, or routine follow-ups. Specialized tasks outside your expertise may also be outsourced. Your time should be focused on work that requires your unique skills. Strategic thinking and decision-making are examples of high-value activities. Delegation creates space for this type of work. Effective delegation requires clear protocols. Tasks should be defined precisely before being assigned. Clear expectations reduce confusion and rework. Delegation instructions should outline outcomes rather than just activities. Quality standards must be communicated up front. Deadlines should be agreed upon clearly. Providing the right level of authority is essential. Delegated work must come with permission to act. Micromanagement reduces delegation effectiveness. Feedback is part of the delegation process. Regular check-ins ensure quality outcomes. Feedback also supports learning and improvement. Outsourcing differs slightly from delegation. Outsourcing involves external providers or services. It is often used for tasks that can be standardized. Common outsourced tasks include bookkeeping, design, and technical support. Outsourcing allows access to specialized skills quickly. It also reduces long-term workload. Calculating the return on investment is important when outsourcing. ROI compares time saved to cost incurred. It helps determine whether outsourcing makes sense. Start by calculating the time spent on a task. Estimate the value of that time. Then compare it with the outsourcing cost. If outsourcing costs less than your time value, it creates positive ROI. Even equal costs may be worthwhile if stress is reduced. Time saved can be reinvested in higher impact work. Hidden benefits should also be considered. These include improved focus and faster task completion. Quality may also improve through specialized providers. Delegation and outsourcing require trust and structure. Clear systems ensure consistency. Well-documented processes support long-term success. Over time, these strategies increase capacity and efficiency. Performance improves without working longer hours. In conclusion, delegation and outsourcing are essential for effective time management. They help identify tasks that no longer need your direct attention. They ensure quality through clear delegation protocols. They also provide measurable returns by freeing time for work. When used effectively, delegation and outsourcing transform how time is managed. In the next lesson, we will discuss long-term time management systems. Stay connected with us. Thank you.